Welcome to Right Side Trading, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is May 20th, 2016. It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening after the market closed on Friday. And what we want to do is bring you the weekly market review. But before we do that, let me take you to our website and show you our disclaimer. And this is the place that I want to highlight right here. And what it says is basically that our products and services are provided solely for educational purposes. Our written and verbal statements, including those provided on our websites by our staff members, testimonial individuals, affiliates, and clients, are personal judgments and should be regarded as such. These written and verbal statements do not constitute investment advice. We do need to let you know, because the government wants us to let you know, that we are not legal licensed financial advisors. So please, before you make any trading decisions or any investment decisions, make sure you seek the advice of a competent, licensed, and financial advisor. Okay, we are just simply people who look at the charts and give you our opinion on what we see. All right. So that being said, let me bring you to the chart for today. And as we said, today is Friday, end of the week. Option expiration, everything is all said and done, and this is what we're looking at as far as the market is concerned. So the question becomes, what should we expect? Last week we talked about consolidation that we see in the market based on, let me zoom in just a little bit. I'll zoom in from this rally that we had back in February of 2016. And if we draw a line across like this, right there, okay? And so that's that line. And if you're wondering why did I pick that line in particular, it's because of this right here. I just picked to open up this candlestick right here. I wanted to make sure that it also kind of caught this one right here. For this drop that we had and bounce that we had over here, what we can do is turn this into a range. And so I would duplicate this line and basically just bring it up to this level right there. Okay. And by me doing that, now I have captured a good portion of all the bounces that we had. Now the market did drop down a little bit below this level last week, but of course the real test was this level right here. Let me draw this right here. And what I'm actually going to do is change this to a blue line, and just make this thinner, and we'll make it dotted lines. Okay, so that really is the point of no return right there. A close below that is a point of no return. So the question was, what was going to happen? Are we going to see the market close below this level right here? If we do, I'll say start selling everything and start shorting the market. Okay, but that's not what we got. Instead, the market did drop yesterday, but then rallied back up. Wednesday, the Feds came out with their announcements that kind of spooked the market a little bit. But we weren't too concerned because, again, no matter what happens, we're still looking at this chart pattern right here. The other line, the area of resistance that we're looking at, is this area right here. Okay, this is the area of resistance that we're looking at. And so the idea now is to see what would happen to the market now. Is it going to rally back up to this level and come back down? And you know, this is just basically a form of a sideways movement. We have, you know, 2-3 days up, 2-3 days down, 1 day up, 1 day down, 1 day up, 1 day down, 1 day up, 1 day down. Okay, that's just consolidation. The question really becomes, is this a consolidation for distribution, or is this a consolidation for accumulation? And that is something that I still do not have an answer to. So for that reason, unfortunately, all I can do is just wait till after we see which direction the market is going, or which breakout takes place. If we have a breakout to the upside, then that's great. We know that the market is going higher. If we have a breakout to the downside, then that's great. I would say that I have seen a number of stocks, and maybe it's because of my bias, but I have seen a number of stocks which are setting up for bullish breakout based on their individual stock patterns, you know, financial stocks, gold stocks, utility stocks, and all that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, energy stocks, at the end of the day, we still have to wait to see what happens here, okay? So that being said, all we can do is just wait. We have to wait to next week and see when the close takes place, and especially we want to wait till the end of Friday. But depending on how the price breaks out of these two lines right here, this support area right here, this resistance area here, will determine whether we need to wait till Friday or not, okay? But the good thing is, or the thing that we definitely want to see, is a break above this resistance area right here, or a break below this resistance. And when I say break, I'm talking about at the end of the day, it closes below that level. So if we can get a close above this, especially if we can get 2 days of close above this, the chances are very high that we're going higher. If we get 2 or more closes below this blue dotted line right here, chances are very high that we are going lower. Okay, so that's all we can do for now, and just wait to see what happens. All right, but just be prepared, because regardless of what happens, something is going to happen, and when the movement takes place, that will be the new direction, whether up or down. Okay, so just look out for that, and like we always try to say, you know, remember to trade on the right side with confidence. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to go to our website, check out our blogs as well as our courses, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Again, remember to trade on the right side with confidence. Thanks. Bye-bye.